Speak gratitude, live joy. 21 affirmations of happiness and fulfillment. My name is Nick Grimshawe from Beautiful Summer Morning. This all began a long time ago when I had a flashback that made me realize that I was a creator of my life. And since then, what I've done is work with people to help them unlock that potential, that idea that they are the creator of their life, and to do it consciously. And I do that by focusing on positivity, gratitude, mindfulness, and meditation. And I have a very specific way to teach these tools. Most people think of positive affirmations as some pretty words you say that maybe make you feel better. But that's not what positive affirmations are all about. And there is a specific technology to them, things that must be in the affirmation for it to work to help retrain your brain. I have a free download, a mini report, to help you go deeper into the understanding of what a positive affirmation is and what needs to be included. For this video, I just want to talk to you about saying the affirmation out loud, writing it down on a piece of paper, repeating the affirmation 3 times a day. I suggest first thing in the morning, somewhere around midday, and then in the evening just before you go to bed. And now you're starting the cycle of positivity. You're beginning to begin that flow each day. You're starting with an affirmation, you're ending with one. The superpower is repetition. This what makes a positive affirmation work. Remember, you're retraining your brain. You've been thinking negative affirmations most of your life. Now you need to change that dynamic and move to a more positive mindset. So when you're saying your affirmation, remember to modulate your voice. Each time you say it, try to say it in a different way. This keeps the affirmation fresh and alive. And say it with conviction, belief, and trust. This is where you start to really get your mind to go, okay, this is true. In this video, I'm going to say the affirmation once and leave a space or a time for you to repeat that affirmation. Again, it's that retraining the brain. We're starting the process by repeating the affirmation. The positive affirmations: speak gratitude, live joy. Let's get started. And remember to repeat them after me. Today I wake up in gratitude, breathing in the gift of life, embracing this moment as the miracle it truly is. I am overflowing with gratitude for all that I have, all that I am, and all that is on my way to me. Gratitude flows through me like a golden river, filling every cell of my being with love, joy, and appreciation. I am choosing to see beauty in the smallest of things. A smile, a kind word, the warmth of the sun, and I am profoundly grateful. As I express gratitude each day, I open the door into a world where blessings flow through me, around me, and as me. I am honoring this splendid moment, recognizing all that I have right now is enough for a magnificent life, overflowing with joy. I am bursting with gratitude for the tough challenges sent to shape me into a stronger, wiser, and more resilient person. Bring them on. I am gently guided by a compass of gratitude towards a magical life sparkling with endless possibility, dancing on the beckoning horizon. I am choosing to focus on the good in the world, what is growing toward the light, and what is filled with love. My gratitude multiplies as I acknowledge it. With every sacred breath I take, I surrender to infinite love and the support of the universe. I am breathing in gratitude and I am exhaling joy. I am radiating gratitude through my wide open heart. In return, the universe pours beauty into my life. I give thanks for all the love flowing through my life, the people who uplift me, and the magical moments that make my soul dance. Even in uncertainty, I am trusting unconditionally that life is unfolding for my highest good, and I give prayers of thanks for this divine guidance. I am seeing the extraordinary in the ordinary, the laughter of a loved one, the aroma of fresh coffee, the soft rustling of leaves, the whisper of tall grasses. I am moved to gratefulness and joy. I am welcoming each sparkling new day. Appreciation, knowing it holds endless opportunities to love, grow, and thrive. I am bubbling with appreciation, and life appreciates me in return. I am delighted by this dazzling flow of divine and unexpected gifts. I am profoundly grateful for the invaluable lessons of the past, the boundless joy of the present, and the exhilarating promise of the future. Each moment is a treasure, and I embrace it with all my heart and soul. I am choosing gratitude to fill my soul like a sunrise, warming me with its brilliance and setting my spirit aglow. I am seeing abundance all around me. From the air I breathe to the love I give and receive, I am fulfilled. As I journey through this day, I am pausing often to say with heartfelt gratitude, thank you, thank you, thank you. Each moment is a gift, and I embrace it with appreciation and joy. I choose gratitude as my superpower, my secret to happiness, and my gateway to a life of infinite joy. I hope you enjoyed those positive affirmations. Let's explore some of the steps you can take to go a little deeper into your positive affirmations. One of the ways is to create your own affirmation card deck. Again, there is a show note. In the show notes, there is a link to just the affirmations that you can download and use. My suggestion is to take the 10 affirmations you like best and create a card deck. Use fairly thick index cards for this because you're going to be using them quite a bit, and you want something that's going to hold up to the wear and tear of their use. Once you have your 10 affirmations written out on cards, you now have a 10-pack card deck to use 3 times a day. So you're going to say all 10 affirmations, one after the other, 3 times a day for 21 days. That's installing a habit to really get the rhythm of these affirmations and to start seeing how affirmations can really change your life. After you use the affirmation deck once, always shuffle it. This puts the affirmations in a different order for the next time that you say them, helping them to stay fresh. As I said before, we have a free mini report for you called How to Write and Use Powerful I Am Affirmations, and the link is in the show notes, as I said. If you want to work on a particular area of your life that you'd really like to deepen with some positivity, let me know. I have a link below, and we can write you 10 powerful positive affirmations in that area. So they're personalized specifically for you. So just follow the link if you're interested in doing that. I also have an affirmation masterclass, which has all the information I've ever used or learned in one class. And it's a $5 course. It's simple, it's easy, but it gives you a full insight into positive affirmations. If you like this video, please help us reach out to a larger audience by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. This is Nick Grimshawe. Thank you for watching. This has been a beautiful summer morning's video presentation.